A few months ago, an attorney colleague stopped me at a networking event to ask me about my name tag. It says Vanessa Vasquez, Board of Governors candidate, and she asked, what's that? And so I told her, the Florida Bar Board of Governors. She said, what's that? I'm being perfectly honest. Until I became more active serving our legal community, I could have been her. There are over 100,000 members of the Florida Bar, most of us practicing attorneys, and I would bet that the vast majority are unaware of how this group of 52 people affects their day-to-day careers. The Board of Governors manages the rules. They make the final recommendations to the Florida Supreme Court on changes that should be made and oversee the enforcement of those rules. They govern how we practice, and yet there's a good chance you don't open their emails, much less even know who the governor for your circuit is. But I'm looking to change that. I'm Vanessa Vasquez Lara, your candidate for the Board of Governors seat in the 11th Circuit. I've been practicing for over 20 years now and have been growing my firm, the Vasquez Lara Law Group, since 2011. Last year, we were recognized as one of the fastest growing companies in America by the Inc. 5000. That growth came not only from the solid practice of law and developing a talented team of young associates, but also from the resources and relationships that I've built serving the community as president of local bar associations, chairing committees, and most recently, sitting on the executive council of the Florida Bar Solo and Small Firm section. It's obvious that the practice of law is going to continue to evolve. The law firms of tomorrow have to be able to quickly adapt to changes in technology, create environments where young attorneys can thrive, maintain a positive look in the public eye, and navigate shifting political environments. And we need a Board of Governors that can adapt just as quickly, be visible and accessible, and provide the resources and rules that will allow us to continue doing great legal work in service to our communities. That's why when voting opens in March, I'm asking for your vote. My personal mission, my why, has always been to make lives better. It's why I became a lawyer and why I continue to serve our legal community and the community at large. And as one of the governors of the Florida Bar, I'll continue working to make the lives of lawyers like you better. I'm Vanessa Vasquez Lara, candidate for the 11th Circuit of the Florida Bar Board of Governors, and I thank you for your consideration and support.